Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining percentages, and this is 5.3, chapter 5.3 percentages. So what basically percentages mean? A percentage is a fraction with the denominator of 100, and the symbol is used to represent as a percentage. So for example, percentage, if it is 40% of 25, so what we'll do, 40% is represented as 40 divided by 100 multiplied by 25, and that is, here we will write 10. So 40% of 25 is 10. Then another example is 30% as a fraction, or in its simplest form. So 30% as a fraction. Okay. So this will be 30 divided by 100, and simplifying it, it will be 3 divided by 10. Another example is 25%. So 25 divided by 100, that 25 1 and 25 4. So 1 by 4th will be the simplest fraction. And then if we have to convert fractions into percentage, so this means, like, what we will do is, if we have 1 by 20, 1 over 20, we will do this by 1 over 20 multiplied by 100. So 20 ones are 20, 25. So this will be 5%. So what we will do is, if we have any fraction, another example I will show is, if we have 5 over 40 multiplied by 100. So what we will do is cancel this and cancel this. So 4 ones 4, 4 2.5 is 10. Then 5 times 2.5 is 12.5%. So 5 over 40 is 12.5%. And then if we do again another example, which is 1 by 8th, and here 1 by 8th, so multiplied by 100, again 8 ones are 8, 12.5%, and that is 12.5%. And another example which I can show is 45 over 90. So multiply by 100, 45 ones and 45 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 5, 50. So this will be 50%. So guys, if you like this video regarding percentages and you're clear with this, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And even if you are not clear with this topic, comment down below and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.